This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Diane Keeley. Charming cottage with open floor plan. Neutral colors, hardwood floors downstairs, large bedroom with extra sitting room with French doors. 2 full baths, fully fenced yard. Rent includes all utilities, yard care, fully furnished with everything you need. Just bring a toothbrush. Carefree living in the heart of Great Bridge. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Keeley at 757-477-8577.